Let's begin our session of science, lesson number 2, digestion and the role of microbes. Now in this lesson, as we have already studied about the teeth, the structure of a tooth and the process of digestion and what is the function of a tooth. Now in today's session, we will be studying about healthy eating habits. As you all know that we eat the food and it is digested in our body, and the food is digested to provide us the essential nutrients which are required for the body to give us energy. So in order to remain healthy, in order to remain energetic, what we need to eat? We need to eat healthy food. So we need to follow healthy eating habits. Now these healthy eating habits are very important to keep you healthy. Because in your growing years, you are in your growing years. If you will eat healthy food, you will grow into a beautiful, handsome, young person. So, you need to have your healthy eating habits. You need to follow those habits. Now, some of the habits of healthy eating food is chew the food well. Once you have started eating your food, chew the food well, properly, so that as you all know, the digestion starts from the mouth only. So let the food mix with the saliva properly and then you chew the food well and then you eat. Do not swallow the food whole. Do not eat the food whole. Like just for example, you are eating a bite of chapati with a vegetable. Chew it properly. Don't swallow it whole. Otherwise, it will not be digested properly. So next is eat fruits and vegetables. As you all know that fruits and vegetables contains good amount of vitamins and minerals. So they are very essential for our body as they will help us keep the body disease free. So these are all protective foods, fruits and vegetables. They help our body boost our immunity also and they keep our body healthy and fresh. Now come to the next healthy eating habit, that is always wash your hands before and after the meals. It is one of the most important things, children. Don't forget. There may be germs in our hands. So before eating, we need to wash our hands properly. And after eating the meals also, we should wash our hands properly. Otherwise, what will happen? The infection can go in our body. If we don't wash our hands and then we start eating, the germs which are in our hands can go inside our body because of not washing the hands. So we need to keep ourselves, wash our hands properly in order to eat the food. We need to follow this hygiene. Now come to the rinse your mouth properly. After eating and before eating also, rinse your mouth properly so that after eating, if you rinse your mouth properly, all the small particles of food that remains in between your teeth or in the mouth can be washed away. Otherwise, what it will cause? It will cause tooth decay. So, in order to avoid the tooth decay, in order to maintain the good health conditions of your tooth and mouth, you need to rinse your mouth properly after eating the food. Eat a proper balanced diet. You all must be aware of what is a balanced diet. A diet which contains all the essential nutrients, fiber and water in a proper quantity is called as a balanced diet. So we need to eat a proper balanced diet in order to remain healthy and strong, in order to grow stronger, in order to boost our immunity. We need to eat a proper balanced diet. Now go to the eat clean, fresh and well cooked food. We need to eat the food which is fresh. If you will eat the food which is overleft at night, what will happen? The food must have gone stale and it will cause infection in your body. So you need to eat the freshly cooked food, clean food and well cooked food. If the food is cooked raw, the raw cooked food if you will eat, then also it will cause infection in your body. So you need to follow these important healthy eating habits. This is healthy eating habits you need to follow. Now children, let's come to the activity time. Now in this activity time, I want you all to take a slice of a bread which you all must be having at home. Just take a slice of bread and make a small pieces and start eating those small pieces. So what will you observe? You will observe that you will taste certain sweet thing in your mouth after some time. So actually what is happening? There is a scientific reason behind it. What it is? That the bread which you are eating contains what? Carbohydrate. Now this carbohydrate on eating gets mixed with the saliva. On chewing gets mixed with the saliva. And there the first process of digestion starts. The carbohydrate starts converting into simple sugar. That is why you feel sweetness in your mouth once the bread mixes properly with the saliva. So that is how the first step of digestion starts. The carbohydrate starts converting into simple sugar. And which part of the body, which is helping that sugar conversion? Saliva of your mouth. It helps to convert the complex sugar into simple sugar. So this is the first step of digestion. Do this activity and enjoy this activity and bring up the scientific. That's all for today's session. Hope you all have understood what is the eating healthy habit, and this activity time also I want you to do and send me your pics also. Thank you. Have a nice day.
So children, let's watch some healthy eating habits. What we need to follow to remain healthy. There are certain things we need to follow while eating so that we can remain healthy. We should eat fresh, clean and good food. Fresh vegetables, fresh fruits. We should always eat fresh things. Wash our hands properly before and after the meals. We should wash our hands before taking our meals so that all the germs and dirts can be washed and we can eat with good hands. We should wash our fruits and vegetables which we buy from the market under the tap running water so that all the dirts and germs can be cleaned. We should exercise daily. Exercise plays an important role in keeping oneself healthy and strong. We should take 3 meals a day. A healthy breakfast is a must, a balanced lunch, and a light dinner. We should drink a lot of clean, pure, filtered, boiled water. Clean water will help us stay away from diseases. We should eat fresh and clean food. We should always have a lot of fruits and vegetables in our diet. We should chew our food properly. Chewing our food properly helps in proper digestion of the food. So we should always chew our food properly. We should say no to junk food. We should avoid eating junk food often as it is an unhealthy option of food. We should drink milk daily to keep our bones strong. As milk is a complete food, it contains calcium also that will keep our teeth and bones strong. So these are the healthy eating habits that we need.